To warm up for the chickens. So start with a pot of boiling water, add in some quick oats. You're not cooking them, you're just soaking them basically. So go ahead and turn that stove off, stir it up a little bit. Then I add cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. Now remember, chickens can't taste heat, so they don't care how much or how little you put in. Basically, the cinnamon is going to help with respiratory and give them a little boost of nutrients, and the cayenne is going to help with blood flow to help keep them warm in colder weather. So give that a good stir, and then I added a little bit more protein here because I have my own mealworms. So I had some in the freezer, and I'm going to be adding them in here, giving it a quick stir, and then you'll see how much the girls love the treat here at the end. But you basically just want to stir in any extras that you add into the oatmeal mix, let it cool a little bit, and then feed it to your girls.